Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. Today we are getting started on the bathroom. Now I've been working on this bathroom off and on through this whole project. So you're going to see little bits and pieces of me kind of doing it because we were trying to figure it out as we went. I've never done a lot of plumbing. So we had to figure out how to redo the drain pipe, and then we had to figure out how to do PEX. I've never done PEX before, so this was all a learning experience. So follow us as we figure out how to put this whole mess together. This is the very beginning. You remember when we built this, and there's the hole. This is the bedroom side. So if you could walk over here toward the door, you see we got a lot of work cut out for us. There's that steel pipe that we cut out in one of the last videos. So let's get on to this project. Let me show you where we're at now. There's a tankless we installed in a past video. We had to build a little chamber to run it out the door. That way it would be the exhaust would go outside. And this is a nice tankless. I think it's about $250. And there it is. There's our exhaust coming on out the back of the house. So it's looking really good. Now we go inside and figure out how we're going to get all this plumbing done. And with a lot of help from some friends and some pointers, here's what we figure out. But this is what we got done in here today. Got sheetrock on the ceiling. We hooked up most of the PEX. We ran out of connectors. So we got to get more connectors. Life of not being a plumber and trying to figure out how to plumb. So I'm hooking up extensions. This is where the sink's going to go. So I'm going to do some stubs, long stubs, because I'm probably going to cut it off later on because I want to do a pressure check on everything. So we put this, I've never done PEX before, so everybody be easy on me. So what I've learned is I bought this really cool PEX tool. You slide your ring on, slide your elbow on, then you slide your the ring up too close. You click on this, and when that turns blue, boom, lets you know that you're tight enough. Then you release it. So then I put another ring on, slide this on like there, tighten this one down. Once it grabs, it don't come off. It's really easy. There we go. Got a little groove. Slides right onto there. Once it grabs it, look at that, it won't come out. Makes it really easy that way. Boy, things have really changed since copper and PVC. I mean, if we would normally be using copper, and I'd have to have a flange tool. But I tell you guys one thing. I don't know if they changed the quality of the copper, but the last 2 or 3 years, I've been doing a lot of drywall repairs for customers who have little pinholes that are popping in their copper. Somebody said that it was probably copper from China. I don't know, but I've never seen that before. Copper should not be getting pinholes, and it's like it's too thin or something. I don't know. Okay, that'll work there for now. Okay, so I bought a bunch of shut-off valves. That way we could pressurize the system. Good, they're quarter turns too, see? Off, on. Sideways is off. Sweet, I love quarter turn. Turn them all off before I install them. That's the last thing I need to do is turn the water on and have it spray everywhere. This is almost fun. It's just the blue. And this transfers up to the tankless. And then the blue continues down to the toilet, then down to the sink, then down to the tub, and then goes through the wall for the kitchen. And so the red comes out of the tank, goes down for the hot sink, goes down for the hot tub, and then it goes around to the kitchen. So we just got to go, we're going to follow the white back because we need to hook it up next to the behind the washer and dryer. And this is where I let you guys off at the first video. So now I just need to cut it. Unless it will make that turn, I may just try to make that turn. They say the less connections, the better. If I could get that to go down and then cut across, then I've got to elbow it straight up to a shutoff valve back here. Alright. This isn't long enough. So this little cutter tool is pretty cool. Got a little razor blade in there. Just simply clip it over. You set an arrow, you push down, bring it back around, boom. That's how simple that is. And then apparently you can replace the blade if it gets dull. We're ready to pull the trigger and see what happens. Off.
Okay.
So we're leaving that off for now.
Yeah.
But we can check all these blue connections. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. One. So I'm going to slowly turn it off. You just watch all these connectors.
I hear it.
What?
I haven't checked the other room yet.
Oh, it should be just fine. Got a little milk jug here, water jug. Well, the hose wasn't tightened down good enough, but hey, got the air lines. My Leatherman. Okay. Got the air out of that. Well, it's got some really good pressure. I was worried because we had to run 1/2-inch water lines to the bathroom because that's what it came out of my washing machine. I wish we could run 3/4, but I would have had to go through the attic. And even though PEX is designed to expand and not bust, I'm not taking no chances because then they would lose all water. So, but this seems like it's going to have good water pressure. Oh, those 3 are good. Air bled out of the lines. Everything still looks good. Woohoo! All right, so I finished the discharge. It goes down. You'll see it sticking through the brick here in a little bit. I'll show you. We ran the gas line. The yellow line comes down, goes through the wall. And here is the gas interchange. It goes back up into the ceiling, which connects up there. And then this tucks over this way and goes through the brick I just showed you. So all the water is working. And if you look up in the attic here, you'll see another yellow line. That comes down into my man cave. Then I turn to the left. You can see that blow-off valve coming out there. That's in case of catastrophe. It could blow out the hot water.
Safety meeting.
Watch your fingers, watch your toes, and work slowly.
Work slow. Okay.
What?
Consider who it's for.
Considering who it's for is good enough.
Oh.
Slide it up like that. Makes it a lot easier trying to.
Yeah.
I know I can do this, but it'd be nice to have a little help. Yeah, that's why you put metal plates in the wall so you don't go through your water line right there.
Yeah.
You handle that by yourself?
I don't know. Charlene, help.
Hold it. Backwards.
Upside down and backwards. I'm sure we're backwards.
Flipping it. Factory goes up top.
I cut the wrong side.
That goes up. Is it the right size? Yeah, it's the right size. Yeah, you did a good job. Almost got in trouble there, huh?
Almost. Funny.
All the way over to the side over here. There we go. Keep going. Good enough. For who it's for. Well, there we go. We got all sheetrock. So now the addition and the bathroom are sheetrock. Now, finally, with the plumbing out of the way, everything seems to be working good. We are going to start slinging some mud. And then, you know what that means? Texture and paint. Finally, this thing can come together. This little apartment is going to be so cozy. So you guys stay tuned as we get for the next video. And thanks for following. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you like and subscribe to the video. That way you keep up with all of this build, because this is a very exciting thing for my parents, and they are very excited to get in here. So remember, have fun, stay out of trouble. All right, let's go mix up some mud and start slinging.